session we are going to discuss about the scheduled task. Scheduled task means any task you can schedule. Schedule means you can schedule every day. Every day you can perform the same task again and again on the same time. Okay, so this schedule task is used. Scheduling happened in a Linux for the using the cron service. So cron service configure the repetitively scheduled the task. You can check the Crontab -e commands to scheduled events and use the Crontab -e for the scheduling the events. Okay, this command can configure the single schedule. Another command is a add command, which is used to scheduling the task at the same time, means one time, and it is interactive and non-interactive mode. So if you want to schedule the task, there is a 1 2 3 4 5 star. 5 star will define to the 5 things. First star will define the minutes. Minutes you can give value from 0 to 59. Means here you will provide a time in a minute like 20 minutes. Then the second star will define the hours. Hours can be considered from 0 to 23 hours. And the day of the month, third one will define for the day of the month. Day of the month 1 to 31. And if you want to define every day, so you can leave it blank. Either you can define any specific day, like first date of the 10th of the month, 15th of the month. If you will not assign any day of the month, so every day the schedule task will be executed, or the same command will be executed. The next one, fourth one, you can define the months. Months will be one between the 1 to 12, and day of the week, the last one. And later on you can define the command, which command you want to be executed. So these are the commands are used, or these are the method are used for the scheduling the task. If you want to configure the cron tab or the schedule a task, then you can use the command crontab -e, which is used to edit the file /etc/crontab. So either you can use this option, this command, either you can open the file and then make the entry. So what you can make the entry, like for the example, if I want to make the entry or the execute the particular script or the daily of the 10 p.m. So what you will define? You will define the 0 timing and the only dates time 10 p.m. because it is the every day, so everything has been left blank by putting the star, and then define the location of the file. Otherwise you can use the commands to any commands. Also you can define here commands to execute the particular command. So here it is the script. Script will execute every day, based on the time. Okay, so how you can do this? You can do this. Another is a add command. Add command also schedule the task, but this command only execute this one time once. This command will execute only the one time. And for the information of this add AQ, you can use the Q for the query ATQ to display the command. means display the schedule, but it will execute only the one time. Okay, so how this command will work,